Today, I'm going to walk you through how to connect HubSpot with Facebook Messenger. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to see and manage your Messenger conversations directly in HubSpot. Streamlining your customer messages makes responding smoother and more efficient, so you won't miss any leads or support requests bouncing in from Facebook. Let's jump right in. First, open up HubSpot. In the top navigation bar, look for the little settings icon. It's usually in the upper right corner, kind of like the gear you'd see on your phone when you want to tweak something. Go ahead and click that. This settings area is the command center for all things HubSpot, so you'll always start here when you want to integrate with other platforms. On the left side of your screen, there's a sidebar with lots of categories. Scroll down until you spot Inbox and Help Desk. Depending on your HubSpot setup, this may say Help Desk or just Inbox. Choose the one that matches what you see. If you're unsure, just look for anything connected to conversations or customer service. It's all designed to help you organize how people reach out to your business. Next, see the option that says Connect a Channel? Click that. This is where you choose which external messaging platforms you want to integrate with HubSpot. You'll see a few choices: email, live chat, or other social platforms. But for today, select Facebook Messenger from the list of available channels. This tells HubSpot you want to bring in your Messenger conversations. Now, click Continue with Facebook. Don't worry, you're not leaving HubSpot behind, just temporarily heading over to Facebook so you can grant permission for the integration. Log in with your Facebook account. It's important to use the credentials tied to your business page, not your personal profile. The page access is key since HubSpot needs permission to read and reply to messages that come through Messenger. Once you're logged in, Facebook will ask which business page you want to connect. If you run multiple pages, for example, maybe you manage both a cafe and a retail boutique, pick the page you want these messages to flow from. You'll also see a list of permissions. These might feel a bit technical, but they're just asking for things like reading incoming messages, sending replies, and showing info about your page. Make sure the required permissions are checked. This allows HubSpot to fully interact with Messenger while keeping things secure. If you ever want to change these permissions later, you can always adjust them from Facebook's Business Integrations panel. Once you've made your selections, click Done. This is the final step of linking everything together, so it might take a few moments to process. When you're done, HubSpot automatically creates what's called a default chat flow for your new Messenger connection. Think of a chat flow as a traffic controller for conversations. It helps greet customers, ask questions, or route chats to the right person. You can keep this default for now, or, for extra customization, head into HubSpot's Chat Flows tool to fine-tune things like auto-replies, working hours, or even simple bots. Customizing can really help personalize the experience for your visitors. And that's it. Now your Facebook Messenger is seamlessly connected to HubSpot, letting you manage messages and customer interactions from one place. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides. If you run into any trouble or have questions about customizing your chat flow, drop a comment below. I always check and reply. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helps make your business communications a whole lot easier.